Hey, what's up, people? You all know that we have done a lot on Arbitrum already. And if the airdrop happens right now, we are very much good to go. But there is one more thing I think we should do, which can potentially increase the amount of Arbitrum token we receive. I am saying this based on the criteria used during the Optimism airdrop. Let me show you something quickly. Here is an overall data about how the Optimism airdrop was distributed and all the criteria used by Optimism Foundation. Now, if you take a look right here, one wallet actually got at least $1,871, and the total amount of tokens that was distributed by Optimism was worth $241 million plus. The eligible address for Optimism was around 248,699 wallets. The number of voters was 84,000 voters. Now, this is where I'm going to. Multi-Sig signers is what we're going to be doing today. The number of persons that signed on Multi-Sig, 19,542 address or wallet. This number of wallets actually got more amounts of the Optimism token. I will show you that. Also, Gitcoin users or donors were around 23,925 wallets or donors. OP users were around 92,157 wallets or accounts. Okay, let me give you a clearer picture of what I'm trying to talk about. Optimism Dogs airdrop 1. Note that Optimism airdrop 2 is actually coming very soon. I have covered everything about the Optimism airdrop 2. So if you haven't done it, head straight to my channel and search for Optimism Quest. You will see every one of them. You can actually go to my playlist and check them out. I have every one of them already in the playlist. Look at it right here. You just click on play and they will all play for you. The same with Gitcoin, Zcash, Arbitrum, Shedium, and the rest of them. I'm going to be adding more to my playlist, so it will be easier for you to watch and locate a particular video. All right, I'm not going to read the background. I'll go straight to the airdrop allocations. Look at what I'm trying to show you right here. Optimism users, that is those that used the application for at least once, actually were around 92,157 wallets or addresses. And each of these addresses got 776 OP. The second one are repeat users. This is very important. When you find out a project that has airdrop potentials, try as much as possible to use that platform at least once in every 2 weeks or once every month. With that, they will categorize you in the level of repeat or repeated users. There were about 19,174 addresses that repeatedly used the Optimism platform, and each of those addresses got 1,696 OP. That means they were the ones that got the highest number of the OP token. So guys, make sure you are using that platform which you're expecting to give you an airdrop repeatedly. It is going to count very soon. Then they had DAO voters, around 84,015 wallets, and each of those persons got just 271, which is also very beautiful. Now, the Multi-Sig signers were around 19,542 wallets or addresses, and each of those addresses got 1,190 OP. Almost the same with repeated users or repeat users. So this is very important, and in my opinion, it might also play out during the Arbitrum airdrop. I don't want you to joke with this. They also gave airdrop to Gitcoin donors. I also have a video on this. Even though the Gitcoin grant has already come to an end, I want to believe that a lot of you actually donated during the Gitcoin grant 14 and 15. So the number of addresses that were eligible during the Optimism airdrop were around 23,925 addresses, and each of them got about 555 OP. Then the users priced out of Ethereum got around 409 OP. Imagine you were 100% in. This will amount to about 4,800 plus OP. And let's also assume that you sold at the price of $2. You would have made almost $10,000. Isn't that amazing? That is free money that you actually didn't literally work for, and you got it just like that. So guys, right now, let's go ahead and create a Multi-Sig account. So this is Gnosis Safe website where we're going to create the Multi-Sig account. First, you will have to connect your MetaMask. Click on connect, click MetaMask, next in your wallet and connect. We are connected, but we are not on the right chain. We are using the Arbitrum chain. If you take a look right here, you will see there are different chains. We have the Ethereum, the Gnosis chain, the Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Energy Web, Arbitrum, Aurora, and the rest of them. We also have Optimism. Now you can also do the same thing for Optimism second airdrop. This is an expo I am giving you right now. After watching this video, do the same thing for Optimism. Hope you understand that. All right, so we switch over to Arbitrum, which is this. Click on it. It says switch wallet to Arbitrum. We go to our MetaMask. We click on switch network. We are connected to the right network. So we go ahead to create a new safe account. We click on create new safe. Click on continue. You need to name the new safe account. Whatever name you want to use is up to you. For now, I'll just go with this. I'll click on continue. This is the wallet address I'm using for this account. You can also enter the owner's name, which is already Sandy. You can add another owner's account. You click on add another. Make sure that this account you're adding, you have control over it. Don't just take any account and add into your safe contract. Okay, make sure you have control over this account. It can be your second MetaMask wallet address or whatever wallet address you want to use. So I'll go ahead and get a wallet address to add right now. I just got an address. I'll paste it in, then give it a name. Okay, you can add as many addresses as you want to. There is still option for that. But for now, I'm cool with this. We just go ahead and click on continue, then click on create. You need to ensure you have some money in your Arbitrum wallet. Otherwise, this is not going to go through. You scroll down and click on confirm. It is creating our wallet. Your safe was created successfully. Click on get started. It's loading up right now. And here we go. You just created a new safe on Arbitrum. You will only be able to use this safe on Arbitrum. If you send assets on other networks to this address, you will not be able to access them. Click on continue. Beautiful. We have just set up our Gnosis Safe account, and this is our wallet address. This wallet address is for this your Gnosis account. It is not the same with your MetaMask wallet address. So if you're sending funds from your MetaMask to your Gnosis account, you will have to send it to this address you can see right here. I'll be showing you exactly how to do it right away. If you copy from here, it's going to include this app1, which is not going to be accepted by MetaMask. Even if you copy everything, when you get to your MetaMask wallet, you will need to edit this away from your wallet address. Hope you understand that. So now we go straight to our MetaMask. Note that you don't need to send big funds into this. As little as $5, $10, $15, $20 is fine. Okay, we click on send. I'll enter the address, which is my Gnosis address. Enter an amount I want to send, 0.005. I'll click on next. I'll scroll down and confirm the transaction. Contract interaction. So we are calling a contract, which is very important. And that is it. Successfully sent 0.005 into our Gnosis account. Hope you can see it right here. This is worth about $8. And we have one token and 0 NFTs. You can also send your NFTs into this account if you want to do that. All right, next thing we're going to do is to check out the apps in the Gnosis Safe account. Click on apps. There are some apps you can interact with here as well if you want to do that. For now, I'm just going to interact with Uniswap. I'll click on this. You need to read the disclaimer and be sure you're okay with your terms and condition. Click on continue, 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 and continue. Any transaction you perform here is connected to your Gnosis account. You are not going to see the transactions in your MetaMask wallet. For example, if you have some USDC in your Gnosis account, it is not going to reflect in your MetaMask. The one in your MetaMask is actually different, while the one in your Gnosis account is also different. There are two different accounts, but they are connected to your MetaMask account, which is your main account. Let's swap some ETH into USDC. Click on USDC. You can swap to any token of your choice. I'm just using USDC as an example. 0.002. That is about $3 plus. Click on swap, confirm swap. So click on submit. You're going to confirm it in your MetaMask as well. Scroll down and confirm it. Transaction is submitted and processing is successful. Okay, we have just received some USDC in our Gnosis account. Go straight to assets. So our USDC is going to load here. Look at it. USDC coin on Arbitrum, we have $3.25 and we have a total of $8. This is exactly how it works. The next thing we're going to do is to try to withdraw some amount back to our MetaMask wallet. How do we do that? We go to send right here, click on it. Note that your MetaMask wallet is already registered. Remember, when we were starting, we registered 2 wallets. So you can send to your MetaMask or the other wallets you have control over. Okay, click on this. Look at the original MetaMask connected and the second account we added. And this is our Gnosis account. I want to send back to this very account. I click on this, enter an amount 0.001. Click on review, scroll down and submit. You will need to confirm it in your MetaMask as well. Scroll down and confirm it. Transaction is executing. Here we go. Transaction successfully executed. Take a look on our balance. You will see it has reduced from $8 to $6.46. Let's check our MetaMask wallet. Okay, we have just received some funds into our MetaMask wallet. All right, guys, this is exactly how to become a Multi-Sig signer, and hopefully this is going to play out during the Arbitrum Airdrop, and we are all going to rejoice. Now, there is also a rumor that the Arbitrum Airdrop will be worth up to $10,000 per wallet. Guys, if that happens, then this is something we will need to shout about. Let's just hope that it comes to pass, because sometimes there is actually some truth in some rumors. Take a look at this. I got it from the Arbitrum Discord server. It says 10K per wallet. Let's just hope. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I know you got value from this video. So go ahead and smash the like button. Share this video everywhere in all your social media platforms and let others partake of what you are partaking. I'll definitely see you in my next one. And don't forget, we're going to make it. Bye.